Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why it is important to set strong boundaries. Now, when it comes to setting boundaries, we must understand it's important for us to set boundaries, and it's important for us to realize that some things do not require, we do not need to give our energy in excess to those things. It's almost like when we set boundaries, we preserve our energy and in a way keep it for ourselves rather than focus on somebody or something that is draining us. So when it comes to setting boundaries, it's okay to set boundaries, and we must not feel bad about setting boundaries, because setting boundaries is actually a good thing. It's protecting us and it's taking care of our personal needs. And when it's like, suppose somebody asks us for more than what we can do and we say no because we are unable to fulfill that, and it's okay to say no. It's okay to have strict boundaries, but we must do it in a polite way to the other person. We must not hurt the other person. We must just try to be polite and do it in the best way possible. Setting boundaries will have us saving energy for ourselves and will, in a way help us be balanced, because we will not be giving excess of our energy. We will not be finishing off the energy that we have inside of us. We will not feel drained when we do that. So it's okay to set boundaries. It's okay not to talk to somebody. It's okay not to not even talk. It's okay to avoid certain things that we do not want to answer. So suppose we are at a function, or suppose we are in a group, or we are at a group of friends, or anywhere at all where there are many people, and they in a way try to enter our private space and try to ask us more than what we want to tell them. It's okay to say no, and it's okay to say that I do not want to answer that, or I do not feel like answering that. We must realize that we have the right to control what we want to say. Say it in a very polite way, and it's okay not to answer certain things. It's okay not to say certain things which are very private about us, or something that we do not want to share. It's completely okay, and boundaries will help us realize that it's okay, and it will in a way protect us as well. So all I'm saying to this video is that healthy boundaries are good, and we need not feel bad about it, and we can answer in a polite way without hurting somebody else, or without saying extra or something mean to them. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe so everyone can get the maximum benefit out of it. And until next time, peace, much love.